Alright guys, we got a thunderstorm here. I'm just standing here for a couple minutes, like a 1 minute or two, because I'm not trying to stand in hard rain, because this is about to be in a hard rain zone. But anyway, I don't know. Alright, I'm doing my tripod right now. Just getting out of here from rail fenning. Just after this, we're just gonna close this tripod and hurry up. So we're just looking for one lightning, at least one lightning, to show you how crazy it is. One lightning at least. I'm showing you one lightning, and we can go home. Boy, we need one lightning now. We gotta get out of here. My mom wants to leave. Come on, lightning. Show me something. Do not put a lightning on me, I swear to God. Okay. But I'm taking a video here. Or maybe I should take it in the car. Which might do that. Alright. But maybe we will get a lightning soon. Alright. But, anyways. Holding up my tripod. So that's why I'm shaking right now, boy. Look, you can see the rain on the way of the car. We're just sitting here waiting for one lightning at least, and then I'm folding up my tripod. If I do not get a lightning when I'm done folding up my tripod, and we're not good. The lightning was over here, and I know it was. My glasses are getting wet. Wet as heck, boy. Alright, my tripod. Doing it now. Just leaving rail fanning. I'm just waiting for one lightning at least. Dude, alright? You won't get this. I swear to gosh, you won't get this. We really won't get it. Like, there's no point. We won't get it. I don't want a good lightning right now. I'm trying! What the? Okay, forget me. You have to go now, but trying. Hold on, yo. Oh, jeez. Now we're back. Oh, my tripod accidentally fell, but I catched it before I even touched the ground. Oh wow, okay. I hated getting wet out there. I got humiliated. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay. Why is the window open? Because I opened it to volume. We should... Oh, the storm just got here. Why are you opening the window? Taking a small video, but then I found out. I need at least one lightning. That's what I was waiting for, and this lightning ain't here. No, it's not. Let me take a small video though. This lightning first was over here. But still taking a small. See, we're just leaving the train tracks right now. Last train was 25Z. Boy, I'm just... Wow. Just wow. Really wow. Okay, we're just trying to look for a lightning down here. And just look. See if we get it. Yeah, it's like stopping off, right? Oh my God, I'm gonna call Giga soon. If there is not a lightning. Dude, this is a thunderstorm, just believe me. I said it before. Oh, there it goes. There we go. There we go. I caught that, Purple.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. One more. It was 4 minutes since I heard that thunderstorm, so maybe the next one will be in 4 minutes. You gonna stop here for a Pokestop like you usually do?
I only stopped here because I have to make the left. There's no traffic. You have to wait for the traffic to pass.
No, stop like here and get the Pokestop.
No.
Will there be another thunder, like lightning thing? If there's not, in like 1 minute or 2, I'm ending this video. At least I caught one of the thunderstorms, but I need a better catch on this one.
You mean one of the lightning strikes?
Yeah. I don't know what it is. I need the next one. Come on, lightning, Mother Nature. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Roll your next bowling ball and let's go. Come on. Lightning, now. Thunder, now. Boy. Hey, listening to me? You gonna spin the Pokestops over here like you do?
Yeah.
I need another one. Oh my god. And I have to poop.
You do?
Oh, I just sit on my video. Why? Okay. Sorry I said poop. I didn't realize. Boy. And I just didn't even know. I'm unsubscribed because I just said that. Alright, I need 1K subs. That's the next, what do you call it? Yeah.
What do you call what?
Oh my god. Oh, there goes another one. Right? I didn't get a good catch on that one. That next lightning was right here. It was just deep in the clouds. You couldn't see it. This whole lightning cloud is right here. Alright. Here. Better shot. Better shot. Right here. Alright. In 2 minutes, I'm gonna end this video just because I don't want to waste my space or anything, and I don't want it to just take forever to just take this video. Wow. Okay. I got wet. My hair's wet, but I still smell like watermelon. And yeah. This whole like cloud is right here. Turn it on the screen. I'm gonna call the guy to open the door. When we turn on this road, I'm gonna end the video and Kogi. Come on, lightning strike, do it, do it. Okay, boy, do it, do it, do it. I got a good shot now, do it. You don't want to listen to me? All right, that was the end of the video. Sorry, people. Last shot at the storm, though. There, that's the storm. That's right. There's that.